It all came about in 2009. That's when the program policy, traffic calming program policy came into place. I think it took a couple years to get, I want to say funding, but once funding started coming in, um, the city started to implement. I think the overall request from the residents has been speed bumps. Speed bumps initially, the terminology speed bump in itself, it's not within the policy, but speed cushions to provide the cut through that it has for fire emergency vehicles is what the city has installed. One of the things was, I guess, coordination with our fire department to provide the cut through. I think within, we looked at the other alternatives, similar to speed cushions, speed lumps, speed humps, but determined that the speed cushions, because of the cut through that they provide for emergency vehicles, specifically fire vehicles, and minimizing the effect on the response time. Speed cushions has been the traffic calming device that the city has primarily used. We get a request, we do traffic studies. There's a policy, not a policy, a prioritization criteria that our city council approved in 2017. And basically there's geometrics of the roadway that go into play, the land use, any public centers, any parks, any schools, traffic collisions, and then traffic volume and speeds. So there's five criterias that basically go into play for the overall prioritization of the streets. And once we capture, the petitions, then city council eventually approves a prioritization list. And that's how we determine which streets to work with. We have some studies that were put together in terms of nationwide kind of data collection about how much speed it would reduce, and we're around there kind of on our before after studies. We have seen around that reduction that's there, which is, I believe, either 14% or 18%. But we've seen up to those percentages on speed reductions on these streets. As they've maintained themselves. No, yeah, they're happy that they're going in, because they do see the reduction in speeds. Yeah, just everything has been kind of a smooth workflow in terms of from requesting it to basically getting them and then installing, and we see the aftermath in terms of what it's been doing in the residential streets.